In this video, we'll show you how to use call forwarding within your answering rules to manage where calls go in different situations. First, click on the Answering Rules tab in the main menu. This is where you can manage how and when your calls ring across your devices. Then, find your active answering rule and click the Edit button on the right-hand side. In the Call Forwarding section, you'll see several forwarding options. Always forwards all calls immediately to another number. On active, forwards calls when your phone is actively ringing. When busy, activates when you're already on a call if you don't have simultaneous ring enabled. When unanswered, routes calls elsewhere if you don't pick up within the set ring time. When offline, forwards calls when you're logged out or your device is unreachable. Once you have selected your preferred call forwarding rule, the text box will open where you can enter the destination number or extension you'd like to forward to. Finally, make sure to click Save to apply your changes.